What are you gonna say to her?
Thank you.
Why thank you? For taking care of you?
Yes.
Oh, can you say I love you to Mommy La?
I love you, Mama.
Why are you laughing?
Can you wish for something for her birthday? Oh, what do you wish for Mommy La?
What?
Good health?
Your help.
Hmm? What else?
You watch.
Happiness? To become always pretty?
Why you look?
And...
Did you sing happy birthday to you?
Why?
Can you sing now?
Or for her to become sexy?
No.
Another.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, last na.
Happy birthday
Happy
to
birthday,
you.
Manila. Oh.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Whose birthday is it?
How about you, Ate?
You wish.
Huh?
I love you. Oh. I love you, Yuris.
I love you.
Bye.
You love you, Riz?
Oh, smile.
Huh?
Posing.
You love you, Riz?
Yeah, she's my cousin.
Oh, cousin. I say bye to you, Riz.
Bye, you wish.
Here. Not there, here.
Bye, you wish.
Say hi to Bea also.
Hi, Bea. What's your nan nan?